Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling Google Pixel LED display of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Google Pixel 7 LCD display. The Google Pixel 7 LCD display screen touch is a vital component for the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro smartphones, offering users a high-quality visual and touch interface experience. This product is designed to provide a 100% brand new LCD display screen with a built-in touch panel digitizer, ensuring optimal performance and responsiveness for the device. Key features of the Google Pixel 7 LCD display screen touch include compatibility. This screen is specifically designed for use with the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, ensuring a perfect fit and compatibility with these smartphone models. LCD display. The LCD liquid crystal display provides clear and vibrant visuals, enhancing the overall viewing experience when using the device for various tasks, such as browsing, gaming, and multimedia consumption. Touch panel digitizer. The touch panel digitizer is responsible for translating touch inputs into like tapping, swiping, and multi-touch gestures. High-quality replacement. When the original display screen is damaged or malfunctioning, this replacement part allows users to restore their Google Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro to its optimal performance and visual quality. Easy installation. While replacing a smartphone screen can be a delicate task, this product is designed for relatively straightforward installation, provided it is done by a skilled technician or following appropriate instructions. Enhanced user experience. A properly functioning display screen is essential for a satisfying user experience, making this replacement part essential for users who want to enjoy their Google Pixel 7 to the fullest. Reliable source. It's important to purchase such product. 2. Product name: original for Google Pixel 6 Pro LCD display. The original for Google Pixel 6 Pro LCD display is a crucial component designed for the Google Pixel 6 Pro smartphone. This LCD display module is equipped with a touchscreen and frame, making it an integral part of the phone's visual and interactive capabilities. It is specifically engineered for the Google Pixel 6 Pro model, ensuring compatibility and performance that meets the phone's original specifications. Key features of the original for Google Pixel 6 Pro LCD display include LCD display. The display is designed to deliver vibrant and high-quality visuals, ensuring that users can enjoy a clear and immersive viewing experience on the 6.7-inch screen. Touch screen. The integrated touch screen allows users to interact with the device through taps, swipes, and gestures, enabling smooth navigation and efficient use of the smartphone. Frame. The inclusion of a frame provides structural support and facilitates the seamless integration of the LCD display and replacement part for those who need to repair or replace a damaged or malfunctioning LCD display on their Google Pixel 6 Pro. This can help extend the lifespan of the smartphone. Product 3. Product name: 6.0 Original LCD for Google Pixel 5. The 6.0 Original LCD for Google Pixel 5 refers to a replacement LCD liquid crystal display screen designed specifically for the Google Pixel 5 smartphone. This LCD display is an authentic and original component, ensuring high quality and compatibility with the device. The primary purpose of this LCD is to serve as a replacement for a damaged or malfunctioning screen on the Google Pixel 5. Common issues that may necessitate such a replacement include cracked screens, unresponsive touch functionality, or display defects. The LCD display comes as part of a complete assembly, which includes the touchscreen digitizer. This assembly simplifies the repair process, as it combines both the visual display and the touch-sensitive component into a single unit. This ensures that when you replace the LCD, you are also addressing any touch-related issues at the same time. In addition to the LCD display, and touch can be carried out with precision and minimal risk of damage to the device. Overall, the 6.0 Original LCD for Google Pixel 5 offers a convenient solution for users seeking to restore the functionality and visual quality of their Google Pixel 5 smartphones. It provides an authentic replacement option, complete with the necessary components and tools, making it a super.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.